There's a Zulu proverb that says, Inkunzi Isematholeni, which is translated, the bull is among the calves. This means a great leader today, a great leader was once an ordinary man. The same way the leaders of tomorrow are the youths of today. You are never too young to lead. You are never too young, especially to lead your own life. You can start developing yourself today so that you can be a great leader tomorrow. It's all about preparation. Don't allow anyone to look down on you because of your age or how old you are. You are capable of leading. You are capable of leading our nation. You are capable of leading whatever tribe you were born to lead. Don't look down on yourself just because you think you are young, you are too young to start leading. You can start now so that you can be a great leader tomorrow. You see, it's all about what you do today, not what you're going to do tomorrow, not what you did in the past. But what you do today or what you decide today will help create your future as a leader.